My name's Louise Rajensky. I'm a CAT scan and X-ray tech. I work at 3 hospitals and I'm a DACA recipient. I was 12 when I came to the US in 2006.
My name is Jonathan Quintino Juarez. I'm a DACA recipient from Mexico. I'm a certified medical assistant at Penn Medicine, Lancaster General Health. I came here when I was 3, so I've done my entire life in this country. I graduated high school, got my certification to be a medical assistant. I started going to college.
Because of the pandemic, we're not scanning as many outpatients. We're limiting the amount of patients that we're doing. We're using a lot more PPE, and we have to clean the rooms thoroughly after the COVID patients leave. It's a lot more time consuming, and it's a lot more stressful. I haven't seen anybody apart from my roommate. My parents are high risk. They're both are cancer survivors. It was my mom's birthday. I couldn't see her, and unfortunately her brother passed away, and I couldn't give her a hug to be able to protect them just because I am in the front line and I am exposed to these people.
DACA is Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, so it's a program under the Obama administration for folks like myself that were brought to the U.S. at a young age without documents, some with documents. It created a legal stay. It facilitates your job, facilitates your life. It gives you an identity.
I have the right to a driver's license, a social security, and they give me a work authorization, and everything is only worth for 2 years. So I have to renew my driver's license every 2 years, get my fingerprints taken, and my employment authorization. I am currently close to the expiration date of my employment authorization card. I sent the paperwork to be renewed. It is pending, but because of the pandemic, I couldn't get my fingerprints done. It may not be renewed before the expiration date, and for that, I might lose either one or all 3 of my jobs.
The Trump administration is very anti-immigrant in general. From the very beginning, he criticized the DACA program and kind of set out to undo it.
So DACA is currently under review in the Supreme Court. They're trying to repeal it, and that's scary because it would change my life completely. Everything that I went to school for would basically be taken away from me because I will not be able to go to work, and I would perhaps have to leave the country and go to a country that I basically don't remember anything about. I grew up here. I had my teenager years here, and this is what I call home.
No job, no health care, no vision plan, no dental, no education, no money for education, no way to make a living unless it's working under the table.
I love helping people, but knowing that by some unwanted in this country, even though I never chose to be here in the first place, it sucks.
It has not been an easy road, but I'm not going to sit and live in this fear of, what's going to happen to my future because of DACA, because my life will continue on one way or another.
I think that people don't understand what DACA is, or a lot of people just ask me why don't you just apply for your citizenship? Not everybody fits in a category, and I'm one of those people that don't, and I think there's about 10 million more that are under DACA. We were young, we didn't have a choice. We grew up here, this grew to be our home, and now everything might be taken away from us.